American 9706 Heavy 24 right.
American 9706 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, caution light turbulence, heavy Boeing 777 departs parallel runway. Wind 25013, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, American 9706 Heavy. Delta 365, 24 right.
Delta 365, Los Angeles Tower, pursued by heavy Boeing 777, caution light turbulence. Wind 25014, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Delta 365, third lane, 24 right.
Ryanair 011, trying to maintain 2,400 till established.
2,400, Ryanair 011.
Ryanair 011 Heavy, you're clear down, let's 24 right approach.
Clear, 24 right, Ryanair 011.
Ryanair 011 Heavy, tower 120.95.
120.95, Ryanair 011.
Sorry about that, 133.9, Ryanair 011 Heavy, 133.9. Ryanair 011 Heavy.
Ryanair 011, runway 24 right.
Ryanair 011 Heavy, LA Tower, wind 24014, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Ryanair 24 right, Ryanair 011.
Eastern 57, description 10 Eastern 75, 86 Heavy, taxi full length, Monarch Tower 133.9er.
Desiree Echo, contact 133.9 on China 0586. November China 0586, Desiree Echo.
Chinese 75, 86 Heavy, LA Tower, taxi full length.
November China 0586.
Verify the call sign, China Eastern.
China 0586, say again?
Just verify your full call sign. Just China Eastern 75, 86 Heavy. Your last transmission was barely readable.
China 0586.
Sounds 452 Heavy, airport 12 o'clock, 15 miles.
That's 452, that's field study.
That's 452 Heavy, 180 or greater to Kobe, contact tower now 133.9. Delta 452 Heavy.
452 over 133.9, right? However, they look at the 452, we're definitely short a mile on runway 24 right.
Lufthansa 452 Heavy, LA Tower, wind 250 at 14, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Get to land, runway 24 right, 452.
Lufthansa 452 Heavy, caution wait, turbulence, Heavy 767 will depart parallel.
Roger.
China Eastern 7586 Heavy, RNAV to Del Rey, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 24 left, clear for takeoff, China 7586.
China Eastern 7586 Heavy, contact SoCal departure.
Departure China 7586.
Southwest 2026, 180 or greater to Kobe.
180 or better to Kobe, Southwest 2026.
Do need to keep your speed up, you out of Super Airbus following you to the airport.
Southwest 2026.
Airways 215, Super, reduce speed now to 220.
E220 knots, MS 215 Super. And MS 215, can we reduce the speed now?
On approach again.
MS 215 Super, can we reduce the speed now?
Which 215 Super, 180 or greater to Kobe.
180 or greater to copy, MS 215 Super.
Thank you. West 215 Super, Tower 133.9.
39 MS 215 Super, have a good day. Tower MS 215 Super, final for runway 24 right.
Emirates 215 Super, LA Tower, wind 250 at 1 tree, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24 right, MS 215 Super.
Charlie Lima, hold to the Kilo 1. 215 Super LA, go.
MS 215 Super with you and Alpha,
Emirates 215 Super LA ground, taxi to Charlie Lima, hold to the Kilo 1.
Charlie Lima and hold short Kilo 1, MS 215.
Emirates 215 Super, give way to the Allegiance at taxiway Lima.
Give the way, Allegiance to taxiway Lima, MS 215.
Emirates 215 Super, contact ramp 131.075, good day.
Ramp 131.075, MS 215 Super, good day.
Upon 9642 Heavy, reduce speed now to 170, the descent to maintain 4000. Upon 9642 Heavy at Kobe, contact tower 133.9.
Kobe, contact the tower 1339 on the phone, 9642 Heavy. Tower on the phone, 9642, Kobe.
Southbound 9642 Heavy, LA ground, LA Tower, Causeway turns preceded by Super A380, landed, wind 240 at 14, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Tower 24 right, clear to land, on the phone, 9642 Heavy.
Ground, good afternoon, clear near 011 Heavy, crossing runway 24 left via Alpha Alpha, stand 157.
Okay, 011 Heavy, LA ground, taxi via Alpha Alpha, hold short of Charlie.
Via Alpha Alpha, holding short of Charlie, clear near 011.
Ryanair 011 Heavy at the checkpoint, contact ground point 75.
Say again?
Contact ground 121.75 at the checkpoint, Ryanair 011 Heavy.
The 121.75 at checkpoint, Ryanair 011.
Frontier Flight 404, runway 24 left, taxi via November Echo.
November Echo 24 left, Frontier 404.
Frontier Flight 404, monitor tower 133.9er. Good day.
33.9, have a great day, Frontier 404.
Frontier Flight 404, LA Tower, you guys okay?
Yeah, we're ready to go. Just understand full length?
Yes, full length, Frontier Flight 404, runway 24 left to land up on 8. Echo 7 approved if you wish.
Yeah, we'll do Echo 7, line up and wait, Frontier 404.
Thank you. Frontier Flight 404, RNAV Delray, wind 240 at 15, runway 24 left at Echo 7, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 24 left, Echo 7, Frontier 404.
Frontier Flight 404, contact SoCal departure.
Frontier 404, switching, good day.
Good day.
Delta 326 Heavy, release speed of 180.
Speed 180, Delta 326 Heavy.
Delta 326 Heavy, contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9er.
33.9er, have a great day, Delta 326 Heavy.
Tower Delta 326 Heavy, Silas 24 right.
Delta 326 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, winds 250 at 214, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Delta 326 Heavy.
Lufthansa 457, checked in on Kilo.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, Los Angeles ground, good afternoon. Just verify you northbound or southbound?
Yeah, northbound on Kilo.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, roger. Runway 24 left, taxi via Echo.
Check the Kilo Delta Echo, Lufthansa 457.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, just verify that was just Kilo Echo, runway 24 left.
Roger, Kilo Echo. Continue straight ahead.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, monitor tower now 133.9 today.
Lufthansa 457, tower 18016.
Delta 739 and then turn, airport is here 3 o'clock and 12 miles, advising have it inside.
Delta 739.
The 739, thank you very much. Cleared visual approach runway 24 right, speed 170 or greater to Kobe.
170 or greater to Kobe, cleared visual.
4 right, 739.
Out of 739, right turn 220 to join final. Traffic off your left behind will be for the South Complex. Contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9. Good day.
Was that 739 going tower? Traffic.
Hello, 739, 9 miles out, 4 right.
Delta 739, LA Tower 240 at 14, runway 24 right. Number 2, clear to land.
Line 24 right, Delta 739.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, traffic crossing downfield, runway 24 left to line up and wait.
The 457 line up and wait, runway 24 left for 160 crossing.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, fly heading 210, remain this frequency, wind 250 at 15, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. Lufthansa 457 Heavy, thank you. Heading 210, contact SoCal departure.
Lufthansa 457, 210 and SoCal. Thank you, goodbye.
Asiana 204 Heavy, 4 miles from Kobe, cleared ILS runway 24 right approach.
Clear the ILS 24 right, Asiana 204.
Asiana 204 Heavy, contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9er.
133.9er, Asiana 204. Good day. Los Angeles Tower, Asiana 204, ILS 24 right, gauge 152.
Asiana 204 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, wind 250 at 14, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear flying 24 right, Asiana 204.
LA ground at Atlanta 511, wait for taxi on D9.
Atlanta 511, LA ground, number 24 left, taxi Echo, Delta's holding for you.
Okay, taxi to runway 24 left on Echo, Atlanta 511.
Atlanta 511, monitor tower 133.9er.
Monitor tower 33.9 around Atlanta 511, coming nice.
Good day.
Heavy on Lima Tulsa Delta.
PJ 11 Heavy, yellow ground, number 24, left taxi Echo.
24 left taxi Echo, PJ 11 Heavy.
Heavy, Monarch Terra 133.9er.
133.9 PJ 11.
Hello, Lane, yes. Got a Loftus 511 LA Tower, number 24 left, line up and wait. On departure, turn left, lighting 210.
Line up 24 left on wait on Loftus.
Loftus 511, wind 250 at 14, number 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24 left on Loftus 511, heading at 210 up to shoreline.
Loftus 511, contact SoCal departure.
Local departure on Loftus 511, have a nice one.
FIJI 811 Heavy, wind 240 at 14, RNAV to Delray, number 24 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to Delray, clear for takeoff, 24 left, FIJI 1811.
Heavy, contact SoCal approach today.
Contact SoCal departure FIJI 1811 Heavy today.
6720 on Heavy, ready.
And then 6721 Heavy, number 24 left, line up and wait. Traffic will cross downfield.
Runway 24 left, line up on the way. Japan 6720 on Heavy.
Japan at 6721 Heavy, wind 250 at 15, RNAV to Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. Japan 6720 on Heavy.
Heavy, contact SoCal approach, take.
Contact SoCal approach, Japan 6721 Heavy, thank you.
Okay, Delta 2312, visual 24 right. Delta 2312, LA Tower, wind 240 at 16, runway 24 right, clear to land. Correct, midland, Delta 2312.
Country 427, you're going to exceed 180 knots, contact tower 133.9er.
33.9, country 427. Tower, country 427 with you on the visual, 24 right.
Sun Country 427, LA Tower 1230 at 16, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right,
Sun Country 427, thank you.
Flight 2165, the regional jet's now 2 o'clock and about 5.5 miles, turning inbound 3000.
Target detect, flight 2165 will meet the visual separation.
Interior Flight 2165, follow that traffic, still clear visual approach from runway 24 right, do not exceed 180 knots.
Not to exceed 180 knots, clear visual 24 right, and we'll follow. Correction with stop.
Interior Flight 2165, contact Tower 133.9er.
Over to Tower, good day, French Flight 2165.
Good day.
Hello, sir. French Flight 2165 proposing Kobe.
Frontier Flight 2165, LA Tower, indicating a 60-knot overtake with the traffic ahead, less than 3 miles. Change to clear to land, runway 24 left. The ILS frequency is 111.7, 111.7.
Change to clear to land, 24 left, French Flight 2165.
Roger, 12 Heavy, request station, no more speed.
Ava 012 Heavy, reduce speed to 180.
Speed 180, Roger, 12 Heavy.
Ava 012 Heavy, contact Tower 133.9er.
133.9er, good day, sir, Roger, 12 Heavy. LA Tower, good afternoon, Roger, 12 Heavy. Runway 24 right, 90 ME.
Eva 012 Heavy, LA Tower, traffic 4.5 miles ahead of an Airbus 320, landing runway 24 left. Wind 240 at 15, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Runway 24 right, clear to land, Roger, 12 Heavy.
Delta 443, LA Tower, advise, ready.
Delta 443, we're ready.
Delta 443, runway 24 left, full length, line up and wait, traffic will cross.
Line up and wait, 24 left, full length, Delta 443.
Delta 443, wind 240 at 15, RNAV at Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Delta 443, RNAV Delray, clear takeoff on 24 left.
Delta 443, contact SoCal approach, yes.
Delta 443, good weekend.
Thanks, sir.
Tower, Hawaiian 10 Heavy, visual 4 right.
Hawaiian 10 Heavy, LA Tower, caution, wake turbulence. Last arrival 2 minutes ago was a heavy Boeing 777, caution, wake turbulence. Wind 240 at 14, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Hawaiian 10 Heavy.
Hawaiian 10 Heavy, low altitude alert. Check altitude immediately. LA altimeter 2987, runway 24 right, you're still clear to land.
Hawaiian 10 Heavy, you're right on the glide slope now. 24 right, clear to land, Hawaiian 10 Heavy.
Thank you.
Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, descend and maintain 4000, approach clearance canceled. Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, descend and maintain 4000, approach clearance canceled.
Descend 4000, approach clearance canceled, Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, and we're visual with 24 right.
Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, recleared visual approach runway 24 right, reduce speed to 170.
Reduce speed 170, visual approach 24 right, Virgin 681 Bravo.
Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, contact tower 133.9er.
33.9er, Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, back.
Yeah.
Tower, good over Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, establish final 24 right.
Met by this one. Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, LA Tower 123, 0 at 17, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Virgin 681 Bravo. Ground today, Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, just take me 24 left.
Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, yellow ground, left on Echo, where do you park?
We've been trying to contact Comedy with no luck, I'm afraid, so we'll try and get them again, but we go left on Echo.
Okay, let me see what I can do. On Echo, hold short of Echo 13 for now, Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy.
Roger, hold short Echo 13, appreciate your help, Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy.
Call upon 106 Heavy, maintain 180 knots.
Maintain 180 knots, over Nepal, 106 Heavy.
Call upon 106 Heavy, contact LA Tower at 133.9, good day.
Contact LA Tower, over Nepal, 106 Heavy. Los Angeles Tower, over Nepal, 106 Heavy. Now it's 24 right.
One upon 106 Heavy, LA Tower 24 right, clear to land.
Now it's 24 right, clear to land, over Nepal, 106 Heavy.
Virgin 681 Bravo Heavy, hold short of Kilo, gate is 134.
Hold short Kilo and probably gate 134, Virgin 681 Bravo.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, 5 miles on a left base for the South Complex, Heavy Boeing 777, 5000.
East side of 45.
Sure. Delta 405, maintain 180 knots until Kobe, contact LA Tower now on a 133.9, have a great day.
180 to Kobe and over to Tower, Delta 405, so long. Yeah.
Thank you, Delta 405.
Delta 405, LA Tower 1250 at 15, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24 right, Delta 405.
United 1221, thank you. Cleared visual approach runway 24 right, speed 182 Kobe.
Block.
United 1221, contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9.
United 1221, and just verify runway 24 right, clear to land.
Tower United 1221, visual 24 right.
United 1221, LA Tower 1250 at 16, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, United 1221.
Air Canada 556, maintain 210 knots or greater. It's going to maintain 3,000.
It's going to maintain 3,210 knots or greater, Canada 556.
Air Canada 556, reduce speed to 180.
Slow 180, Air Canada 556.
Air Canada 556, speed 170 to Kobe. Traffic off your left will be for the South Complex. Contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9.
Over to 133.9, we have Southwest Air Canada 556. Tower Canada 556 is on the visual to right.
Air Canada 556, LA Tower 4.5 mile beyond the 757. Wind 250 at 17, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 24 right, Air Canada 556.
JetBlue 2223, reduce speed to 180, maintain that to Kobe.
180 now, to Kobe, JetBlue 2223.
JetBlue 2223, contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9.
33.9er, JetBlue 2223. Tower JetBlue 2223, visual 24.
JetBlue 2223, LA Tower, wind 250 at 17, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Alright, 24 right, JetBlue 2223.
Delta 1832 LA Tower, wind 250 at 15, runway 25 left to the land.
To the land 25 left over 1832.
Delta 1832 at Juliet, crossing 25 right, contact ground point 75, traffic in position.
Juliet, crossing 25 right, ground point 75.
1832 Lake Ground, London Charlie, November North route to at Lima behind Valaris.
Alright, Charlie, November North route up 1832, Lima behind Valaris. Approaching checkpoint 1 for 135.
Delta 1832 LA Ground, taxi Echo Delta 10.
Echo Delta 10,